Financial sector is probably the very few industries outside technology that can afford to hire large teams of top AI talent. It's also a data heavy industry where applications like fraud detection, financial forecasting, and reconciling and closing accounts can bring a ready payoff. The combination of AI with banking has really made it a hotbed for the future innovation. There has been a recent study by few of the top industry leaders where they have found out that banking is making fast inroads into AI. They have researched, analyzed, and surveyed various banks in North America and US and found out that JP Morgan Chase excels in all the categories of the surveys. The next highest scores were obtained by Royal Bank of Canada and Citigroup. But the main reason behind JP Morgan Chase's successful foray into AI is their long-term investment in AI research, coupled with an openness to letting AI talent publish academic work. And you can find a lot of academic work done by JP Morgan Chase employees online. Another interesting thing which came out of that survey is that North American banks outscored and outperformed their European counterparts. They held seven of the top banks from North America. Only three were from Europe. Also, 46% of employees surveyed in this study across the fleet were data engineers who were most interested in learning and developing and evolving in artificial intelligence. Then came the second new breed of purely AI developers, and then the third most interested sector was finance analysts. Only 34% out of this whole data identified as women. Also, another interesting thing was that not only JP Morgan Chase but also Fargo, they are establishing AI recruitment programs similar to those at tech companies, including apprenticeships, graduate roles, internships, and dedicated hiring teams. Another thing is that both JP Morgan Chase and Royal Bank of Canada have tried their best to avoid AI hype in their public communications, and they are also focusing on AI ethics and promoting AI ethics across the industry. In the recent news, we learned that engineers at JP Morgan Chase recently trained a language model on statements from the US Federal Reserve, which is a government agency that sets certain influential interest rates. Morgan Stanley, which ranked 10th in this survey, adopted OpenAI's GPT-4 to interpret financial documents. Also, Bloomberg, which is a huge financial data company, developed a 50 billion parameter transformer model called Bloomberg GPT to analyze financial documents. It outperformed the 176 billion parameter Bloom in tasks like sentiment analysis of financial news and documents. So, as you can see, banking is fast adopting AI, and soon we will be seeing lot of customized and tailored AI products from the banks in various countries. I hope you like the content. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.